Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark enemies in Expedition 33. Mark in the game would be considered as a status effect. For example, it would be the same as when the enemy is on fire, being slowed, or stunned. It falls under that category. What mark does is basically the next attack done to a marked enemy, the damage would be increased by 50%, but it only affects one instance of damage. So make sure to use a skill that does a huge amount of damage that only hits once, instead of an entire flurry of attacks. Now how do we go about placing down marks on enemies? Well, it can be done from using a skill. For example, Verso has a skill that applies mark to an enemy. After his turn ends, you can activate this mark by using another character with a skill of their own. There can even be some skills that goes in tandem with marked enemies. For example, Mael. Her skill that I can't properly pronounce has increased damage to marked enemies, making it a great choice as a nuke skill to finish off high HP enemies. There's even the Picto marking shots that offers a 20% chance to mark an enemy on a free shot. And that's pretty much about it on how to mark enemies on Expedition 33.